guys, what's up? It's CalvertSheikWhispers, and we're back with another ASMR video. Don't forget to hit that like button, helps out the channel grow, and if you're new here, subscribe. So today I'm going to be eating it's a lobster roll that they made at the school that I work at. So this is literally a homemade lobster roll, even the bread, everything's homemade. What's it called? I got some salt, sea salt vinegar chips that my boss gave me. We're gonna be digging into this. Oh wow. It tastes like vinegar. Obviously. And so, let's put this on the plate. That's a good serving. So the lobster roll. Oh, that's good. And of course, guys, we got that top tier water. There we go. That's good. Alright, let's take a bite of this lobster roll. Oh wow. That bread's really good. That's really good, guys. God damn. So today, if you know me, or what my interests are, I'm a big UFC fan, and today is UFC 290. It's UFC 298. It's a pretty stacked card, guys. We got Henry Cejudo versus Merab. We got Ilya Taporia versus Volkanovski. There's a lot of good fights coming on. Paulo Costa versus Robert Whittaker. I just can't wait to see it. By the time this video is posted, the fight's already done, but I want Merab to win. Between Whittaker and Paulo Costa, I don't know. I like them both. And then of course I want Volkanovski to win, but I have a feeling that Taporia is gonna win. This is the main event. He's just really young. He's 26 years old. He's hungry. And I think he's like on a 15, streak. And he has some power shots, man. I mean, Volkanovski, he can still probably hang in there, but he's 35 years old. He's lost his last 2 fights, but like I said, we'll see on Saturday, which is today. By the time this video is up, the fight's already done, but we'll see who won the fight. That was good. Oh yeah. And then there's Ian Gary. I like him. I like Ian Gary. I want him to win. I forgot his opponent's name, but I prefer Ian Gary. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next ASMR video, and we'll see who won the fight, or who won the fights during UFC 298. Later guys.